Noah.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
What do you got, Ben? Do you want it open? Ask Papa to help you.
Bring it here, please.
Do you have the hiccups?
Good job, bud. Yeah. Bring it here. Okay. What do you want to do with it? Walk on it?
Ben, can you come give your brother a kiss? Come give him a kiss. Oh, that's very sweet.
Good job, bud.